9:18 in the morning. Let's go off to this machine shop. But before, I gotta have a talk with you guys real quick. Alright, quick little talk, you know what I mean? Like, I just wanna know, you know what I mean? Like why? You know, like, why the I don't understand, right? I don't understand. Why do you guys wait for me to upload just to dislike my stuff? Why? What did I do to you? I don't do nothing to you. You bit like, look, bruh, dog, I don't do nothing to you. I provide you with a service for free. And you got the nerve, you have that hors d'oeuvre to dislike it? Boy, you ungrateful motherfucker. This makes no sense. I put in all this effort of editing. I'm like, damn, I am that dude. I am amazing. Look how funny I am. And you why? I don't understand. Oh, I'm finna hit this motherfucker. Get out my way! Y'all feel me though? What if it, right, like, and I get it. Don't let it get to you, but bro, in 2 hours, I had 15 dislikes. Stop watching my stuff. If you don't fuck with me, you don't fuck with me. Simple. I'm tired of these stuff, bruh. Like, dog. I don't know why I let it get to me. I don't know why. When you passionate, this what happens. When you feel like you're putting out quality stuff, right? You know what I mean? You feel like you're not succumbing to everything around you. You're not trying to be like nobody else. You're being in your own lane. You're doing your own thing. You put in the effort on your videos. You know what I mean? You make sure like when people watch your videos for the first time ever, they're getting a great, funny, good, you know, good vibe experience. Then you got disliking my stuff. Look, all I'm saying, if you don't fuck with me, don't watch my videos. That's all I'm saying, bro. Why would you want to see the next man not make it, dog? Why? That's some hating ass stuff. Don't be like that, bruh. Be better. Fuck. Alright, that's it. So we're on our way to the machine shop.
Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. Appreciate it.
My mistakes are my biggest professors. I'm learning life lessons. I realize it ain't what you have, it's what you feel. That's what true success is. I am the one-on-one. After me, there's no successor.
Woo! So, just dropped off the flywheel to the machine shop. And I don't know, I walked in, right? So funny. I walked in with the flywheel. And he's like, oh, put it over there. I was like, okay. So I put it down. He was like, phone number? I was like, oh shit, I almost gave my phone number out. So I give him my phone number, and he's like, that's it. I was like, okay. I didn't even ask for, whatchamacallit. I didn't ask when I won't get it back. None of that. I don't know. So hopefully I get it back today. When he was writing my name down, there's like a couple people ahead of me. But the resurface of flywheel shouldn't take long. So I don't know. We'll see. I'll give him a call like around, what time is it now? It's 10 o'clock. I'll give him a call like around 1 o'clock, 1 or 2 o'clock, and we'll see what's up. My vlogging skills have been subpar. I know, because it is the next day. I got the flywheel back, the counter shafts at Randy's house, and now I have to take that Coyo bearing to Randy's house. So that's what we're doing right now. Tuning in to the vlog world. We're at Ranlow house. What's up, Pumpkin? How you doing? You good? Randy. You good? He only laughing on camera because he camera shy. Tell him, Pumpkin. Damn, I gotta make sure I edit all this shit out. Fred's gonna beat my ass.
You ain't shit out, bro.
Big facts.
Why you be saying I'm editing shit out?
Sometimes I edit it out though. Like that one time when you said something about like Gapplebees. This nigga Randy.
That was racist.
That was racist. I should tell him too. Should I tell him?
No.
Alright, I ain't gonna tell him. That was way too funny. This nigga Randy, bro. Doing right now is taking out this bearing, and then we're gonna press it. Not press, but oh yeah, gotta press out this bearing and press in the new one, and then yeah, counter shaft. Oh, It's not making a noise, but gotta place it anyway.
It was yesterday.
You know what I'm saying? That shit was clap. Now it ain't doing it. Oh well. What made you want to get into cars, Randy? I don't know. Damn. You get like fulfillment out of this shit?
I get money.
Guys can't feel it, but clapped out. Vibradium. Vibradium.
Flexing ain't discreet about it. Extra, extra read about it. Say you wanna beef about it. We gon' come and see about it. Flexing ain't discreet about it. Extra, extra read about it. Say you wanna beef about it. Find out nothing sweet about it. Flexing ain't discreet about it. Extra, extra read about it. Say you wanna beef about it. We gon' come and see about it. Flexing ain't discreet about it. Extra, extra read about it. Say you wanna beef about it. Find out nothing sweet about it. Look, mile like 3-6 pole that keep cold when
Back at Mikasa. Randy by. Should I brake clean all the stuff before I put it in? That would probably make sense, huh?
You have fluid?
Of course I got brake clean, bruh.
What about?
Synchro mesh?
Yeah.
No, why I need synchro mesh for?
It's in there.
Oh, that's true. Nah, I gotta go buy that, bruh.
views, old news, know you probably heard about it. Extra, extra, read about it. Headline, word around town, flexing. Ballin' on my course, so I ain't worried about nobody out of bounds, stressing. Feeling like Hercules, murder these ain't a problem to me. Tried to tell the maid service don't come unless you bringin' condoms to me. Flexing ain't discreet about it. Extra, extra, read about it. Say.
I mean, look at it this way. If somebody's gonna put something in your butt,
Whoa.
We're Fred at.
Yeah, we're Fred at, dog. Come on, Mark, dog. Batiman chatting, dog.
Tapped in. Lately my life had a fast man, but it's ass plan. Fight for my life with the brass hands, and I still ball with a bad hand. Got an aerial point of view, but they'll never see the big picture through zoom lens. From the quicksand, make it push start, type of band's coupe with the tent plan. I'm back on my bender rolls for the kicks. They quick to give them 2 cents. Put my circle tight like we glued hands. Like I don't believe in new friends. Tread light, I know the ice thin. I drop the song, get a few wins. I crave the comfort in my own skin. Really, I just wanna feel the world spin. If I check, watch me double that. I get it lit, I watch it bubble up. Remember opening for shows, no a show, but I pulled through, I muscled up. Not a label one, fuck with us. I spin the paper, let them know what's up. I figured out we really onto something, cause the jealous niggas give a subtle love. Crazy, they hella shaky on that really, but that's fake. Shit see through the shade, shit they so unstable. Done waiting, I'm a wanderlust, I'm really going all the way to places. Never thought I'd take it all off the phrases, but I can't get no sleep. Landing in the weeks. Life is
Yup. Mother Nature knows what's up. Ain't no July 4th, B. But it is Gearbox Day. Well, earlier, Randy was over, we got the gearbox situated. Then I went back to Randy's house for like 5 hours. It's like 7 o'clock right now. Well, 6 o'clock. I don't know what time it is. It's late in the afternoon. But gearbox is all taken care of. All I'm waiting on now is my, what am I waiting on? I am waiting on my action clutch to fire through. So yeah, I went from stage 3, I'm downgrading to a stage 2. And yeah, should be good. Gearbox is all taken care of though. Everything is good. Once I put the shift selector in there, I can go through all the gears and stuff, make sure everything's copacetic. But yeah, look at that. Boy, it's raining. It's raining cash and dogs out there, bruh. I didn't even show you guys the flywheel. So here's my new machine flywheel. Look at that. Brand spanking new. 65 bucks at Napa in Stewart. Yes, sir. So I'm actually gonna put the flywheel on and then that's it. Only thing I can do really. So another video where I'm not doing much because there's nothing much to really do. But Ear. Bruh. It's really going off right now, bruh. Bruh. Jesus Christ. Boy, y'all done pissed off Mother Nature, boy. She is mad AF. Hugo. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is going to wrap it up for this video. I know it's short, it's probably boring, but hey, progress is progress. It's not always great, it's not always entertaining. It is what it is, you know what I mean? But the moral of this video is you should always eat your steaks medium. Is it medium well, medium rare? It's like in the middle, you know what I mean? A little bit of pink. A little bit of pink don't never hurt nobody. You know what I mean? I would say happy 4th, but what the hell are we really celebrating? Well, we as in, you know, we. That's crazy. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like. If you didn't enjoy it, get the hell off my channel. And I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I am out. Peace.